Hello guys, in today's video I am going to play Fortnite and I am going to show you guys the best spot to land in arena. So I know the best spot to land in arena and it has three chests and 4-5 weapon spawns. It's near Risky Reels, but I think there are like no one landing there, so you should be good if you are not that good player like me. So that's that, and I think I'm going to land there and show you guys the location. And I think there could be 1 or 2 people at least. Could be, I don't really know. You need to figure that out. I don't think so there are going to be, and I have gotten like 100 plus hype in a game, so that is pretty cool. I easily get like 100 plus hype every match. That's why I'm like a contender league. Okay, so this is the place. This is Risky Reels. This is Frenzy Farm. Just over here, a circle of trees. Inside of it, there are 3 chests and like 4-5 weapon spawns. So could be 1 or 2 people there, but I don't think so. And some people go from this hill to there. So that is that. If you can handle 1 or 2 guys land here. There are a lot of people at Frenzy, and 2 to 4 people at Risky Reels, and no one is landing here. Maybe, yep. Alright, just going to break the stones and getting the loot. And just want to tell you that there is definitely, you are definitely going to get 100 sealed out of this place. So that's that. As you guys can see, I just got minis and 2 chug splashes and 1 big pot. People are at Risky shooting. So that's that. And if you really don't get that much seal from the chest, just consume the mushrooms or just look in the bushes, because there are some weapon spawns or there could be some healables inside. I'm just going to check all the bushes and see if there's some more weapons or something. And there's like a lot of mats. There's a lot of trees and stone. So you are definitely going to get a lot of stone and wood, but I don't think so you are going to get that much metal. Yep, you are not going to get metal. But nothing happens, you are getting a stone and a lot of mats. But if you are a W keyer, you could land here, but you could land here, I would assume, and just go to Risky Reels after looting this place. If you are a W keyer, if you are not a good player and not a W keyer, just stay here, farm some mats and just be in the bushes. That's what I'm going to do, because I am not that good of a player. Just wanted to tell you guys that. Just going to camp in a bush, and I have a lot of healables and a lot of mats. I can farm more if I want, but I won't, because there could be people coming from Risky or Frenzy. I think no one landed at this hill, so that is pretty good, because all the people landing there always come down here. I'm just going to get some placement points and try to show you guys how much points you can gain from landing in this spot and camping. I don't know about W keying. You could die, but I don't know. You could die if you W key if you are a good player. Just go to risky from here, because I know it's hard to get loot at risky reels. I know there's a lot of loot there, but just loot it from here, because there will not be a problem from looting here, because no one is going to land. 3 chests are all yours, 100 C for sure, so that is great. And a lot of mats from here. You don't need to farm that area, and because that's an open area in that place, you are not going to farm a lot of materials there. So yeah, I'm just going to camp a little bit and get some placement points, and when the zone comes, going to go to the zone. You are definitely going to get max wood and max brick from here, and I just see a lot of buildings. Someone did a build fight right over here at Frenzy, and I reached top 25, 60 hype easily in a match. You are going to get here if you land here, but I think I can place easily top 15 if I don't do big mistakes. I don't know about top 5. You could if you are a pretty good player and can just play good and stay in the top 5. I have done it like 2 to 3 times, but I just get killed like two people were just spamming my walls and I just got killed. But yeah, this is the spot, and I'm just going to show you guys how much points I get in this whole match. I have gotten like 60 hype right now. I think I'm going to get 30 more from top 15 maybe, if I don't do some stupid mistakes. I'm in the zone right now easily. I think the next zone I need to move maybe in 2-3 minutes. I think I need to move from here, but no worries, I'll find another boss somewhere else and camp there. You can get like a lot of points hype if you camp like this, what I am doing right now. 100 hype, 90 hype for sure, 60 hype either way if you don't die here, because there's no one landing here, just sit on a boss. So yeah, and yeah, almost top 15. No one is dying right now because the zone is too big. I'm just going to mark that, maybe, if I can even do it. Cannot do that. $18 people. Need to place top 15, then just going to go to the zone. As I told you, this is the best way to get hype in arena or just to get some points in cash cups, just land here. You are definitely going to get some placement points easily. If you are not a W keyer, you can also W key by just looting this place and going to risky as I told you. And I need to go to the zone, but I won't. I need to place top 15, then I will go there because it's close. Okay, top 15. Let's go to the zone. No worries. I'm just going to not go into frenzy because I know there is going to be a lot of people there. Just going to go it by its sides and maybe find a bush or something because I don't want to be in the open. Definitely not. Where's the boss? Oh, I need a boss right now or I'm going to die. I don't think so. There's persons at Orchard. Interesting. Where should I even hide? There are like no bushes around me. They're probably here. But I cannot go there. I'm going to go to the zone more. I guess what should I even do? Please don't, no one be at Orchard. Please, please, please. There are probably going to be someone at the drop. I'm not going there. I'm so close to it. There's a bus right there. Going to go there. I hear shooting. I see people, but I'm not going to even go near them. Just going to sit in the bus. I'm like almost in the middle of the circle. That's good. Okay, I see people. I definitely do. Maybe. Just going to sit in here. Top 10. I think there's someone at that box. I think I will get like 120 hype in a match. So that is amazing only by placement. See, I just placed top 25, then top 15. That is total of 90 hype. Then 30 more, and that's equal to 120 hype. And if you want to minus 20, that would be like 100 hype because I am contender league division 5, but that's like 100 hype plus in a match. So if you do this every match, it is going to like take like 15 to 20 minutes. I see a person right there. You are going to get like 100 plus hype. I'm in the zone. Yay. Please place top 5, and there's a guy right there. I don't see any people without that guy in the box. He edited again. And he's shooting to Frenzy, I guess. I think I'm going to play top 5. Maybe. If I don't do a mistake. That guy shooting tools. Yeah, that. He has the glider and the drum gun. And I see another guy. Please, someone die. In 3 of you. Just die. I'll get 30 hype. There's should I shoot? How in the world did you see that? How? Tell me. Oh my god. Is he a hacker or something? I don't think so. But how did he even see me? Oh my god. I just lost 3 points. No worries. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please leave a like and subscribe.